Join me as I challenge myself to transform complete strangers into singing stars with some mind-blowing illusion art. Illusion art has always fascinated me, and today I want to show you how it can take ordinary people and turn them into extraordinary performers. Imagine being able to walk into a room as a complete unknown and walk out as a rock star. It's an incredible feeling that's hard to put into words. So often, we think that talent is something you're either born with or not, and that if you weren't blessed with a great voice or the ability to dance, you'll never be able to shine in the spotlight. This perception can be really limiting, and it's something that holds a lot of people back from pursuing their dreams. I think we've all been there at some point or another, watching someone perform and thinking to ourselves, I wish I could do that, but I'm just not talented enough. It's a pretty common feeling, and it's one that can be really discouraging. But what if I told you that there's a way to overcome that feeling, to push beyond your perceived limitations and become the performer you've always wanted to be? It might sound too good to be true, but trust me, it's not. With a little bit of illusion art and a lot of creativity, anything is possible. And today, I want to show you just how possible it is. The process of creating an illusion is all about creating a believable narrative, and that's exactly what we did with our strangers. We took them from being completely unknown to being singing sensations, all in a matter of minutes. It's incredible to see the transformation, not just in their appearance, but also in their confidence and demeanor. And the reactions? Absolutely priceless. As I watched our strangers take the stage, I could see the fear and uncertainty in their eyes melt away, replaced by a growing sense of excitement and confidence. They began to believe in themselves, to own the stage and the audience, and it was truly magical. And in the crowd's reaction? It was like nothing I've ever seen before, jaws on the floor, eyes wide with amazement, and cheers that went on for minutes. But of all the transformations we did, there was one that really stood out to me. It was a young woman who had never sung in front of anyone before, and yet, with a little bit of illusion art, she became a singing sensation. The way she commanded the stage, the way her voice rang out and filled the room, it was truly breathtaking. And the look on her face? Absolutely unforgettable. What I think is so powerful about illusion art is that it's not just about creating an illusion, it's about tapping into something deeper within ourselves. It's about showing us that we're capable of more than we ever thought possible, that we're capable of changing and growing and becoming something new. And that's what makes it so incredibly empowering. So, what did you guys think of our mind-blowing illusion art? Did you have a favorite moment or a favorite transformation? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more content like this, be sure to check out our other video showcasing even more artistic transformations. Turns an old lady into a singing duo. Let's see if I can make it happen. Illusion art is an incredible form of creativity that has the power to completely transform our perceptions of reality. It's a way to experience the impossible, to question what we see and to challenge our minds. And today, I want to take you on a journey that will push the boundaries of what you thought was possible. Many of us have seen illusions online or on TV, but how many of us have ever stopped to think about how they actually work? Is it magic? Is it trickery? Or is it something more? As I'm sure many of you have experienced, when we see something that defies explanation, our minds can be a bit skeptical. We might think to ourselves, wait a minute, that can't be real. And that's exactly what I want to explore today. You see, our brains are wired to recognize patterns and to make sense of the world around us. So when we see something that disrupts that pattern, our minds can get a bit confused. It's like our brains are saying, hey, wait a minute, this doesn't add up. And that's exactly why illusions can be so fascinating. They tap into our natural curiosity and make us question what we think we know. But as we're about to see, the art of illusions is not just about tricking our minds, it's also about creativity, skill, and practice. And today, we're going to see all of those elements come together in a truly remarkable way. As I introduce you to the star of our show, an elderly lady who has dedicated her life to the art of illusions. She's been perfecting her craft for years, and what you're about to see is the culmination of all that hard work and dedication. She spent countless hours in front of the mirror, practicing her technique, perfecting her art, and pushing herself to the limit. And today, she's going to share that art with us. Despite her age, she's still got a spark in her eye, a passion for her craft, and a determination to amaze. And as we're about to see, she's not just any ordinary granny, she's a master of illusions. And now, the moment of truth. The old lady is about to transform into a singing duo in a way that will leave you speechless. Get ready to have your minds blown, because what you're about to see is truly unbelievable. As the music starts, the lady begins to move, her body swaying to the rhythm. And then, suddenly, she's not alone anymore. A second figure appears, singing in perfect harmony with the first. It's like magic, only it's not magic at all, it's the culmination of years of practice and dedication. The audience is stunned, their jaws dropping in amazement as they try to process what they're seeing. The lady has transformed into a singing duo, and it's a truly breathtaking sight. The music swells, the voices blend together in perfect harmony, and the illusion is complete. As we just witnessed, the power of illusion art is truly amazing. It has the ability to transport us to another world, to make us question what we see, and to push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. And that's exactly what makes it so incredible. What was your favorite part of the illusion? Did you see it coming, or were you completely blown away? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more amazing content.